Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. We're going to go inside the Star Car upfitting shop right now and take a look at a group of vehicles that Star Car are putting together. These vehicles are a little different in one respect. They're not the normal patrol cars that we utilize here throughout the United States and in the Pacific Northwest, but in fact they are for campus police, designed to keep people safe. Let's go inside right now. Well, the gang have completed the car. It's actually been brought outside, and as you can see, it's a very nice day here in the Pacific Northwest. The sun isn't shining, the rain has just stopped, and the temperature has dropped a little bit. But more importantly, we're going to take a look at the vehicle itself, which of course is now complete, and it's part of a group of vehicles that they're going to be putting together for this particular agency. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, these agencies are essentially campus police departments, and of course, being campus police departments, they don't have to have vehicles that are overly sophisticated or loaded down with a lot of specialized equipment that you'd normally use on a patrol vehicle, but nevertheless they're functional and have a specific role to play on the campus to keep everybody safe and sound. So let's take a look at the vehicle right now. So there you have it, a very straightforward package indeed. The lighting package actually is part of a Ford program, by the way, called Ready for the Road, and that does include some wheel-in equipment, which is the control system here and the amplifier, along with the siren speaker, which is actually behind the grille, and some sound-off product has also been mixed in with this vehicle, which again is part of the Ready for the Road package from Ford. The gang at Star Car put it together, nice and straightforward. But in many parts of the world, this is a standard police car that is used in everyday usage. We, of course, increase the amount of equipment in the regular patrol vehicles that we use for law enforcement because of the amount of work that actually has to get done for their perspective. So it will be on patrol at a campus in the Pacific Northwest, keeping everybody nice and safe. And most importantly, wherever you are in the world, you stay safe out there. And again, thanks for watching SIRENNET Television. I'm Stuart.